Good morning, children. Welcome to this session, second session of Career Guidance Program. So, in the previous session, we have learned about how to crack UPSC, how to become an IAS officer. That we have learned yesterday. That is on Saturday. Today, we are going to learn how you can become an engineer. What are the courses that you have to do? And how can you become a very good top engineer in the country and in the world? Before going to that, I would like to show you a small motivational video. Let's watch it carefully. It's a very interesting story. Let's listen to it.
One day, a son goes to his father and says, "Father, what is the value of my life?" And the father gives him a stone and says, "Son, if you want to know the value of your life, take the stone and go to the market. And if anyone asks the price, don't say a word and raise up two fingers." So the boy does as his father says and goes to the market, wanders around, and suddenly an old woman approaches him and says, "How much is this stone?" The boy doesn't say a word, just raises up two fingers. And the woman says, $2? I'll take it." The son is surprised and runs back to his father. He says, "Father, there was an old woman at the market. She wanted to give me $2 for the stone." The father says, "Son, the next place I want you to go is to the museum. And if anyone asks the price, don't say a word and raise up two fingers." So the son takes the stone and goes to the museum. After about 20 minutes, there is a middle-aged man in a suit who approaches the boy. He says, "Sir, how much is this stone?" The boy doesn't say a word and raises up two fingers. And the man says, $200, I'll take it." The boy, surprised, and runs home to his father. Father, a man in the museum wanted to buy the stone for $200. "Okay, son. The last place I want you to take the stone is a precious stone store. Walk inside with the stone, and if anyone asks the price, don't say a word, just raise up two fingers." So the son runs off into the precious stone store. After finding it, he walks inside, and there is an old man at the counter. And as the old man sees the stone, he jumps up and screams, "Oh my God, you have the stone I've been looking for my whole life. What do you want for it? How much is it?" The boy doesn't say a word and raises up two fingers. And the old man says, $200,000? I'll take it." The boy can't believe it. He jumps up and runs to his father. He says, Father, the old man at the precious stone store wanted to give me $200,000 for the stone." You see, son, you understand now the value of your life. Life is all about where you place yourself. You can decide if you want to be a $2 stone or a $200,000 stone. There are some people who love you. Some people will just and for them, you will be worth nothing. So it is upon you, my son, to decide the value of your life.
Ma'am, the video voice is too low.
Stay blessed.
Yes, ma'am.
It's nice. Ma'am, no, ma'am. The video was good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the moral of the story? Now, you will put it up in the chat box. What you feel about this particular story, you will be putting up in the chat box. Let me read out what you are saying. Yeah, Ashwath Raj says, moral is that it's not about your looks or the knowledge. It's about the usage of knowledge in the correct place or position. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, Ashwath Raj, very good, very good. Very nice. See, today I'm going to, the topic which I'm going to take up is also related to this story. I like the story very much because, see, in 3 different places, the value of that stone was different, right? Similarly, if you want to be whatever you want to prefer to be in life, it doesn't matter. But try to do the best, be the best in that profession. One day, I will share a small story with all of you, dear students. One day, Vivekananda, all of you know Vivekananda? Who is Vivekananda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
He went to his mother. Yeah, in the chat box, please. Yeah. Once he went to his mother and he said, Mama, I want to become a driver. What did he say? I want to become a driver. When I grow up, each one of us will think, no, when I grow up, I'll become this. When I grow up, I'll become a lawyer or a doctor or an actor or a cricketer. So like that, he said, I want to become a driver. If it was any other ordinary mother would say, what is this? Becoming a driver? But Vivekananda's mother said, become a driver like Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, he drove the
He's the
chariot
driver
for
of
Arjuna.
Arjuna.
Yes. He drove the chariot throughout Mahabharata. He drove the chariot for Arjuna. So become a charioteer like Sri Krishna. So that impressed Vivekananda a lot. Later, he traveled all over the world, spreading the message of the greatness of Indian culture, the greatness of Indian traditions. He went all over the world and spread it. So like that, it doesn't matter, children, what you want to, which profession you are going to choose, it's your choice. But whichever profession you are going to choose, you will be the best in that profession. That's very, very important. Now, each one of you will have different professions in your mind. You want to do different things. It's fine. I will not say that you become only a doctor or you become only an IAS officer. Whatever you want to do the best. That's very, very important. So we have learned about how to crack UPSC exam. Now today, if you want to become an engineer, one of the greatest engineer is Vishweshwaraya. His birthday, Yam Vishweshwaraya, his birthday is taken as Engineer's Day, is celebrated as Engineer's Day. So I want to become a army pilot. Very good. So each day we will be discussing about different professions only. I would like to give you a clear picture about different professions. So today let us start with our how to become an engineer. There are various institutions through which you can complete your engineering degree. It is called as, in few places, it's called as BE, Bachelor of Engineering. In few places, it's called as BTech, Bachelor of Technology, right? It varies from state to state, but try to always, everybody would like to prefer the IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. They take pride in joining IIT. We will come to know, I will explain you why everybody is, so much. Why do they aspiring so much to join Indian Institute of Technology? Why not any other engineering college? So first we will try to know what are the different types of engineering fields which are there. Is mechanical engineer. You want to construct large dams or bridges. Then you need a mechanical engineer. Civil engineer. Civil and mechanical goes together. Mechanical engineer in manufacturing of the big, huge industries. All that mechanical engineer. Civil engineer is establishing roads, construction of dams. Both mechanical engineer and civil engineer will be doing it. Construction of houses, huge malls, all this civil engineer along with the architect, they will be doing it. Electrical engineer are the various connections. Yeah, you have electricity boards, right? So all over there, the electrical engineering students or those who have done electrical engineering will be there. Then we have electronics, your TV, your gadgets which you are using, all of them are, their base is electronics, children. Aeronautical engineering. Aeronautical is your building of your manufacturing of airplanes, spacecrafts, all that. Aeronautical and aerospace is also there. This engineering helps in, like, how are flights able to fly? Always human beings wanted to fly like a bird. So how are they able to do it? So that technology is all done by aeronautical engineers. Very, very important. And then next comes computer science. Nowadays, majority of people are taking up the computer science courses because India is supplying the software, for the apps, different apps. Technology support, whole world is taking from India. So computer science is also very much in demand. Then chemical engineering. You have a lot of chemical factories. All that, for that you need chemical engineering. Electronics and communication. Electronics and communication is like you have satellites. You are able to watch TV. You are able to listen to somebody like, who is far away. So that is all comes under the electronics and communication. Metallurgy. It is all about metals. How you take an ore and try to extract a metal from it. All that is learned in metallurgy engineering. And information science. Information science is somewhat related to computer science. They will also be learning a lot about the hardware of the computers, networking, and all that is also done. So this is all about the different types of engineering. So you can become a mechanical engineer, civil engineer, electrical engineer, electronics engineer. You can serve in different fields. Now, what is this? Why everybody wants to? First, I will tell you what are these Indian Institute of Technologies. The government of India has started up to upgrade the kind of education. You want good engineers, you want good infrastructure in your country, then you need to have good graduates in engineering. So to set that high standards, Indian Institute of Technology have been started. Initially, it started with the 5 IITs, one at Kharagpur, Bombay. Kharagpur is near Kolkata, Bombay, Madras, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur. But now, because of the increasing population and increasing need of different engineers for the country, we are also having another total of 23 IITs all over India. So now let us know why. Why should I join IIT? I have a local engineering college in Visakhapatnam itself. Then why should I go for this IIT? Among all the IITs, IIT Mumbai has, among all those 25 IITs also, IIT Mumbai stands first, children. Do you know, after completing their degree, that means 4 years of engineering, the highest salary package that is offered for IITs, do you know? It's around 1 crore per annum. Per annum means per year. So you can imagine what kind of salary, just a starting salary of the person who completes the engineering. The top few students of IITs will get this package. 1 crore. 1 crore rupees means per month, how much it will be? Divided by 12.
4 crores.
1 crore divided by 12. Rohita, check your network once.
Ma'am, 8 lakhs.
Around 8 lakhs. Yeah. 12 8s are 96, around 8 lakhs. So that's a huge salary, right? That's why people
Yes, ma'am.
want to join IIT for their engineering. Yes. So other colleges also, and even in IITs, remaining students will be getting something around 30 to 70 lakhs per annum. These salaries are already annual CTC, means what the cost to the company for that particular year. So it is 30 to 70 lakhs is quite a good salary, isn't it, children? So students want to do their engineering from IIT. So now, next, I have told you that there is also, I told you that there are IITs, 23 IITs all over India. Now, what is this IIT? Triple IT. It is also called as triple IT. As I have told you, computer science is of lot of importance now. We are trying to give the software support to major companies all over the world, especially United States. So India has realized that if it can produce more and more information technology engineers, software engineers, computer science engineers, then it will help to boost up the economy of the country also, to make this place a better place, better jobs, better opportunities for the students. So this Indian Institute of Information Technologies have started. There are 25 institutes all over our country. 25 institutes are there, triple ITs, Hyderabad, at various places they are there. So here the salary packages will be like 45 to 85 lakhs. That means when you are by around 21 to 21 years old, you would be able to get such a salary, would be a starting salary of so much, would be definitely an advantage. Yeah, your parents will feel, you will also feel so proud of yourself, yeah, working. Now, what should we do? If I want to become an I want to join IIT or triple IT or any other top engineering colleges. I will talk about the other engineering colleges also. So what should we do? First, let us see what we need to do to get into an IIT. In +2, you need to take up, that means after you complete your 10th standard, children, you can go for CBSE 11th and 12th standards. You can study like that, or you can take up intermediate, right? So there we have to take up mathematics, physics, and chemistry subjects should be there in your intermediate or your +2, that is 11th and 12th standards. If Jyoti ma'am is here, can you please take few pics, ma'am, for the children attending the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So this IIT JEE is the entrance examination. It is called Joint Entrance Examination. So if you want to get into the IITs, take admission into IITs, you need to write this examination after your 12th standard, or like after your inter second year, you have to write this. Sorry. After your intermediate second year, you have to write this examination. It will be in the month of April, right? In that also, like how I have told you for IAS, UPSC had 3 levels, right? First is the prelims, then it is the mains, and then it is finally the interview, right? So here also you have, one is the first exam which you write is called as JEE mains, Joint Entrance Examination, mains examination. This mains examination will have 90 questions. 30 for each. Mathematics, physics, chemistry. 30 questions maths, 30 questions physics, 30 questions chemistry. Just 90 questions, and the total marks will be 360. That means each question carries
4 marks, ma'am.
And if you are wrong, if you answered it wrong, there is negative marking also, children. Negative marking means If you went wrong in one question, 4 marks anyhow you lost, you'll lose 1 more mark. 1 negative mark will be there. Means from the total which you have got, 1 mark will be reduced. Correct? So you should be very careful while, if you are very confident about the answer, then only you should answer it. Otherwise, whatever you have already got, that also you will lose. Those marks also you will lose. So there's no guesswork here. You need to be completely confident about it. And suppose if you have prepared, like for no questions repeat in IIT JEE children. Suppose if I will go through the last year papers or previous year papers, I cannot guess that those questions will come now again. It will be something very, very different. After you clear the JEE mains, you will have the advanced examination. Advanced examination is also, so what are the subjects you have to study, children, here? It is
Maths, physics, chemistry.
Chemistry. Maths, physics, and chemistry. You need to be thorough with this if you want to get into the engineering stream. After getting into the engineering stream, at the time of admission, you can choose whether it is civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or electronics and communication, or only electronics or electrical. That you can choose later. But for every engineering stream, maths, physics, chemistry is very, very important. So those who are aspiring for engineering services, for aspiring to get into IIT or IIIT, please make sure that students, you have your concepts very clear in maths, physics, and chemistry. All your, the NCERT textbooks, you will have exemplar problems, R.D. Sharma. These things you have to be very, very careful about in your preparation. Please make sure that you are preparing thoroughly with it, right from 6th standard onwards. And the beauty of it at Srushti is we are training you up for that IIT JEE exam right from 6th standard. Yesterday also I have told you, if you are aiming at IAS, start your preparation right now. Similarly, for IIT, already you are in that course, already you are in the course. Last year, due to the pandemic situation, we were not able to take up with this IIT classes. But this year, even when the summer camp is going on, we have the IIT classes going on in the afternoon, children. Please don't miss it. It's very, very important. The previous year time books which you have, if you are in class 8 or class 9 or class 10, the time books which you have, don't throw them. Go through them once again.
Ma'am, we had class 6.
Yeah, you had class 6. So you practice those, practice those questions once again. In these summer holidays, utilize that your previous books, you will do it thoroughly. You must have purchased R.D. Sharma and left it like that. Few parents are saying that the books are all new like that. Didn't touch it at all. See, when the summer in online classes are going on, we cannot have a day-long program because you cannot be in front of the screen or with the small mobile phone. It's not good for your eyes to be exposed to the mobile for so long. But your preparation should not stop. This JEE, after they clear the JEE mains examination, they write the JEE advanced examination. Each subject will have only 18 questions, total of 54 questions. Yes, so please make sure that your books are totally taken care. Pick up all those time books which are left out like that. Start working on it. Clarify your doubts. First, note down all the doubts in one place and clarify with the teachers. It's very, very important, children. So this is how you will be getting into IIT or IIIT. This is the procedure. Now, other than IIT and IIIT, the next colleges which come up. Birla Institute of Technology. They have colleges at Pilani in Rajasthan, Hyderabad, Goa, and Dubai. These are also best institutes after Indian Institute of Technology and IIITs. The next best colleges are Birla Institute, BITS. It's called as BITS Pilani, BITS Hyderabad, BITS Dubai, and BITS Goa. SRM University, Geetam University, which is in Vizag and Hyderabad and Bangalore, Satyabhama University, Vellore Institute of Technology, Lovely Professional University. Like this, you have a lot of colleges. But first, your aim should be on the IITs. And it's also very important. I am not telling you, yeah, somebody has messaged me, in the chat box that I want to do engineering and I want to be a businesswoman. That's wonderful, children. That's really wonderful. Yeah. So now, see, I'm not saying that you take up the job. Yeah, you take up the job with somebody. I'm not saying that. What you need to do is, give me 1 minute. Yeah. You can start up your own company also. It doesn't matter. It's very important that you complete your engineering at a very reputed institute. Later, you can become an entrepreneur on yourself. You can start up with your own business. You can start up with your own ideas. And now, as a part of the our government, Narendra Modi government, we have Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let us be self-reliant. Let us start with the companies on our own. Let us work for our own country. So that's why there are a lot of government schemes also where you can start up your own business also. We will learn about that also as a part of entrepreneurship model. We will be definitely discussing about that also, right? So to make it more clear to all of you children, that if you are taking up, like right now you are studying, you're studying in a CBSE school, right? So you can continue with the CBSE in 11th and 12th also, CBSE stream. There you will have a choice of taking up maths, physics, chemistry, and biology you can take up, or computers. Between biology and computer science, there is a choice. If you want to check out, like, no, with the medical stream also, you can take biology, or no, I am totally into engineering itself, then take up computer science. That you can decide by the time you complete your 10th standard. We are there, children, to guide you. Yeah, if you have any queries, questions also. And suppose if you don't want to take up CBSE stream, very few colleges have, schools have CBSE stream in 11th and 12th. So you can take up intermediate board also. You can take up the intermediate into first year and second year. You can take up in any good college. There you have to, when you are taking up intermediate, you have a choice only for maths, MPC, it is called maths, physics, chemistry, or you can take up BiPC, that is biology, physics, and chemistry. Yeah, keep your videos open, children. Jyoti ma'am will take a pic, click few pics for you. Right. So if you are sincerely planning to start with your career as an engineer, you need to be thorough with mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Mathematics also, it is not just mugging up. I always see the children keeping the notebook there and then they will be practicing, looking into the notebook and doing, looking into the notebook and doing. That will not help children. Let the concepts be very clear. The whole thing is like you should be thorough with the concept. Have you understood the concept properly or not? If the concept is clear, you can write any question. You can answer any question if the concept is clear. So concept, you should work hard for the concept clarity. After completing your NCERT textbooks, pick up a reference book. Pick up one reference book. Like for mathematics, it is R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal. Most of the times you purchase the book, but you will not solve it thoroughly. your preparation for IIT JEE, which you are going to do after your intermediate. Children, you need to start your preparation right now. All those concepts, clarity needs to be done. So you have understood, even for UPSC, 6th standard onwards, geography, history, yeah, all the social economics or political science, yeah, civics, what you call, all this should be thorough. Yes, even for engineering, that is, even for IITs also, you need to keep your concepts clear. Understanding the concepts. They will mix up 2 or 3 topics together and will frame the question. So until and unless you are very thorough with your concept, it's not easy to answer those questions. So first thing, step 1, solve the NCERT textbook thoroughly. Last year, due to the online classes, most of you have not done this practice, especially in maths properly. In physics also, getting the concept clear first and then start working out all the numericals. Pick up a very good reference book for physics also, physics and chemistry also. Till 10th standard, it is treated as science, but we have separate teachers for physics and chemistry and biology. Clarify your doubts. Go through the concepts clearly. When you are doing the numericals, you will understand. You will know, you will be able to check how far you have done your concept clear. So last year's textbooks also, last year's reference books also, please make sure that you solve all of them, children. And then get ready with this year's books. Even when you are having the summer break, every day 2 hours minimum, you have to work with the reference books, I mean to say. Last year's or previous year time books are left out with you, start working on it. The teachers, subject teachers will be very happy to explain it all once again to you. Yes? So make sure that all of you will be preparing thoroughly, right from 6th standard onwards, all the concepts which you are going to have in the questions which you are going to have in 11th and 12th. Those questions will be having their base from 6th standard onwards. So anywhere, any topic like Newton's laws of motion or kinematics, try to solve many numericals on that. Numericals means problems on that. Even in chemistry also, learning atomic structure, yeah, then you will have numericals in chemistry also. Yeah, those you have to keep solving. The time books, religiously you have to keep working on that. And we are there to help you, we are there to guide you, we are there to support you students to see that, see, after 10th standard, in the next 2 years, you will be working rigorously. At that time, all this preparation will help you. It will make things very easy for you once you are concentrating on it right now. So hope, yeah, you liked this profession. You got an idea about how to join,
Yes, ma'am.
an IIT.
Yes, ma'am, in next class, on which profession you will tell me?
Next about medicine. Yes, in the next class, I will be taking up medicine. Slowly, one by one, I will be covering all the professions. But the most important thing, I'm not saying that you take up a job after completing your degree. You start working for yourself. You become an entrepreneur. We will give you all the support. We'll give you all the ideas for how to get it. Samuel, tell me.
Ma'am, can you tell
About? You're not clear? Put it in the message. Your voice is not clear. There are a few questions in the chat box. Who is this? Aeronautical engineering and become a pilot. Very good, Harshit. Very good. Aeronautical engineering.
Ma'am, will there be a separate engineering for making robots and other related.
Robotics is part of computer science. Yeah.
Okay.
And in the next profession, I will also tell you how to do research in any field, in medical field or in an engineering field. You can do research also. So that also I will tell you how to become a scientist, how to become a research scholar. Yes. Because now especially you are seeing now children that when this COVID is going on, there's a lot of research. Pharma companies are trying with different medicines, different
Ma'am,
vaccines,
again,
right?
which again, at
Yeah.
which time class will be there, ma'am?
I will put it in the group tomorrow according to your schedule. No, I will be putting up to you. It will be between 9 to 12, right? When you are free, your slot is free.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will be doing it. Okay. Thank you very much,
Yes, ma'am.
children. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Personal counseling also we will have. Thank you
Thank you,
all.
ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Samuel,
you,
your
ma'am.
voice
Thank
was not clear. You can message me. Okay. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.